Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's dive into learning more about Figma's environment. Right now I'm using the browser version, but I highly recommend the desktop version as it accelerates the process of designing. Here you can see the Figma's environment is divided into four different sections. The toolbar right at the top consists of all the necessary tools for your amazing web design. This is the menu bar where you have file, edit, view, vector, text, plugins, etc. This is the move option, move or scale, the frame tool, the object tool where you have your rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, the pen tool, you have pen or pencil, the text, the pan tool or the comment section, where anybody can add a comment and post it. On the left hand side, you have your layers and your asset option. In layers, you can double click on the layer and change the name. Now let's start by creating a new file. Go back to menus in the menu bar. On right topmost corner, you have the new file. Here, if you type A in the inspector column, which consists of design, prototype and inspect, you have different options for your screen. For example, an iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 8, Google Plus, Android, your tablets, iPad mini, iPad Pro Max, Surface Pro Max, your desktop, your MacBook, your iMac, your watch, your Apple Watch, your your paper sizes, different paper sizes, for example, A6, A4, letter, tabloid, your social media account, for example, your Instagram story, your Instagram post, your LinkedIn cover, your Twitter post, the one which you want to design. For example, I'm designing for a mobile app. So I'm going to select an iPhone 8, which gives you the screen size of an iPhone 8. In the prototype options will be covered in the further series. The inspector option gives you different properties. The properties of the canvas you selected, the height, top, the height, width, colors. And this is the code option. The code section is useful if you are a developer or if you want to hand over the properties to a developer or your application developer for both Android and iOS. The fourth and not the least is where you have your design and your artwork. For example, if I take a rectangle, in the right hand inspector portion, you have your design under which you have your alignment, your constraints, your layers, your fill, the strokes, effects, export. For example, if I want to change the color of my rectangle, so you have solid fills, linear, radial, angular, diamond. You can insert an image in the rectangle that you have chosen. Don't worry about it. This all properties will be covered in the further series of the tutorial. You also have a share option on your right topmost corner where you can share your file with all your components with your team members and invite your clients for reading your projects or etc. Your clients or your team members can view it or edit it, which option can be shared with the help of a link.